I know this cap with feather is everywhere. Even people who are not Igbo are also wearing it. And it's because we that own this cap, we do not appreciate it. We do not even have good regard for it. So we only see these caps as a fashion statement. We don't even know the cultural and spiritual significance of this particular red cap. So I'm going to educate you. And me, after educating you, you would also educate other people so that other people are also going to learn. Now, in the past, before someone wears this cap, that is this particular one, underneath New Konisi. Now, this individual must have achieved an honorary status. Like they have to have an honor status within the society, within the community. Now, you must have crossed a milestone that your family, your community, everybody is aware of. And you don't just wake up and you put this cap on. You have to get to a certain status before you wear it. Now, before you place this cap on your head, you must first of all place it on your chinebuzo. In Igbo culture and tradition, chinebuzo. You must first of all place it on your chi. That image, that status, that effigy that represents your chi, you must first of all adorn, crown your chi. Ịtụ Chi Ugo. It must first of all be on your chi's head before it would kiss your own head. We call this thing Ịtụ Chi Ugo. So it is a sign of gratitude from you, the individual, to your chi, and it's also appreciation for your chi for guiding you this far. Now, before you now socially or physically wear this feathered cap, you have to first of all do the needful, place it on your chi first before you yourself you start wearing it. Now, mostly people only add one feather. Now, culturally, at each milestone, at each achievement, Ugo Kobo, at each achievement, you deserve a feather. So before you now put that feather or another feather on your own cap, you would also have to first of all place another one on your chi. So no matter the milestone that you achieve, you would first of all place on your chi first before you now place on yourself. So for culture's sake, if you're wearing this feathered cap, place one first on the oposi or the effigy of your chi. It is highly important for us as Ndibo. It shows that you understand your culture and your spirituality and you favor it and you appreciate the input it has to you and to other people around you. So if you want to promote Igbo culture, and if you don't, so do one for your chi first.